In this segment, we are going to cold start, or a first-time power-up, the Purge HMI workstation that you see here with our 6000 Purge and pressurization unit, which is integrated into the system. Now, this demo is going to demonstrate the system behavior once the air and the power are connected to the system. Upon completion of the Purge cycle, the Purge controller's power contacts will close, which will apply power to the HMI. This entire process takes about 2.5 minutes. So now that we've connected air to the system and we're going to apply power, you will notice a timer in the upper right hand side of the screen. This is going to be keeping track of the Purge cycle elapsed time. On the Purge controller user interface, you will notice two messages. The first being checking communications, followed by initiating Purge. The system first confirms that the vent is properly wired and communications are established between the controller and the vent. Once this is confirmed, the system goes into the initiating Purge phase. The Purge controller establishes proper flow and checks that the pressure is maintained prior to entering the Purge cycle. This step normally takes about 1 minute to make sure that both readings are stable. So now our system has verified that we can maintain the proper flow and pressure to maintain the Purge cycle, and the Purge cycle has begun. So you'll notice this display on the user interface, which is in a percentage. This value just represents the percentage of the Purge cycle that has been completed. In the picture of the gauge, you will see that we are providing 40 psi of air pressure to the system. Now our Purge cycle is almost complete. Once the unit completes the Purge cycle, the enclosure contacts will close and energize the HMI workstation. So from start to finish, once we energize the Purge system, the time it takes to get up and running is a mere 2.5 minutes. Now I want to thank you for taking the time to view this demo and hope you come back to view our future demonstrations.